Ongingin Amyot Elementary Schools, Maristela Elementary Schools, Maristela Elementary Schools. Ongingin Amyot Elementary Schools, Maristela Elementary Schools. Ongingin Maristela Elementary School, Sangidin Elementary School, sa Serverao Kismok Lingartiang, ang area Basur Gmer Ngarting. Ang siguro ng area Elementary School, sa Serverao, Kismok Latim Singil Ngartiang, ang area Basur Gao Ngarting. Ngiti Trir ang Legem, El Merkei. Ongingin Maristela. Alaiseng Goro Elementary Schools, Harris Elementary Schools, Mute Elementary Schools, Maristela Elementary Schools, at siguro mga ringiyak, Ngidin Elementary School at Sirbanao. Kismok, at timringi ng Aragurand, Eloran Mirting, Aringa Basol, Kismok, Elengorgao. Alaisek Mamunga High Schools, at Mamunga High Schools, Magoteng Palau High Schools, Mamunga Palau High Schools. Palau High Schools, Samiteng, Metro Mamunga Palau High Schools, Palau High School, Ongingin Maristela Elementary Schools. Ongingin Maristela Elementary Schools. Ongingin Palau High School, Emmaus High Schools. Emmaus High School. Emmaus High School. Ang siguro Emmaus High School, Kismok, yang Ongingin Palau High School. Ongingin Emmaus High School, Migenti High Schools. Migenti High School. Migenti High School, sa suruh Kismok, ada masih Aragurand. Yang Ugong School, MOC. MOC, Ongingin Migenti High School. MOC. Pagkasin nga Coron Elementary School, Harris Elementary Schools, Mills Elementary Schools, Maristela, Palau High Schools, and Migenti High Schools, Emmaus High School. Ang siguro nandiyan, tingnan namin sa team marala. So, hitaraguran maral may luok le MOC, tingnan nga school MOC. Ilaan ako mga gawin organizations, Mangiling State, Smoke Latin Singing, Gawin Pagawin, Direct Development o Tirakla, Mangingila MOC. Mangiling organizations, Mastate, Smoke Latin Singing, Gawin Pagawin, Development o Tirakla, Abra Pay, Mangingila MOC. Tumutulong ko nga ngidil organization sa area team singing, Malugan States. Kita teams, baru meraan betul-betul ada tahu program. Emau High School, saya meranding. Yang ngidil states, Malugan organizations, Malugan clubs, ang area team singing, ang smoke lah. Agar kita namun berobra-obrando. Siya masingin hasil hasil area selection team marami siya team aspura para Emau High School. Ang sumunod ng aspect, Malugan organization sa area team singing, nagomest yung mada talbong ng amula program. Mada talbong ng amula program. Wala siya ang ulingit na rogul ang naraguranda, rogul o kiyaksang, gulmon o rogul, e morong siya, a national anthem na Republic of Palau, Rora Romura program. Todo rogul. Sulla rogoyo bago okla. Joga mundial tributaal. Esolat musa se trol giretial silsil da bari. Magote zaglore asulis trigel committee trigel oral no box tagel program. E direct lore asulira Meredere lagi di school, mara tiga mal ka school, man de belakang mo gergikle, el motbok la apres la program mos bedel medolia kut bekit lagi di kotel sils, la barni, ma kemu rogulo kyak saron sekretariat, o man lo masaul, en Mei mos bedel motbok tial luma etiu singila la kotel buil, luaya lulela Om ngedolel tial kotel tanjo virgit, hasil meral silsil kiret mo ngedar ngi at luguk, mang enagar bo usgol, makbok bu bebit toy, el kirela tial klugol dal bar ngi, akote tial silsa atanjo vira di public revelau, kadam dengai nge tokor rakal denga ungela tokor blue rangbar, kadam lamo ilak la. Seriri derak, elang memtarak, kita kotel nomor habis government trigip, mengkermela orang ini, leceh kita awalel, kita mengetbok government trigip, dia kalau mengelil, berura ada ngasih mom sisi, emo ongil bok kelas, ayah kita sesuatu tokoh seakan melukoi kirim cah kita sils, kita nak lokol, Atlola, kira lah physical fitness, atlola mereka lah physical fitness. Kalau saya kena melisi apa dengar, dosogol, leoror, emrula, rogul togol, kira melisi apa dengar, mau melisi, ongerung, sportsmanship apa gula saya
kada mabdulo usgol klogol aja di lomili la klen direct ko atko gira auror sportsmanship abdu ase ko usgol e kain seu emot bokla atora buai emot bokla dengan ongedai competition atora klaizal maklai wed mutbokla atroy mungsbeden moruera aselif maru moruera bebiralat a competition areng belau gora klaisal tiareng belau rairan berelang di blor sel bodo sgol kat mumtu armut mum sisi a competition adirek mutbok kirela areng ra olympic Katakai misal mengmotivasi motor Olimpik ra sel belau, Olimpik ra mai Indonesia, malu bang Olimpik ra belulat rogin. Competition tora klaisal, adirek rengra ablu one nation, rengra wai belau Republic of Palau, alu Republic of Belau. Giredel mornia sekir sisi rengrgit, elmua abluat el ruei el sisi el ngawang aklaing seu cooperation sel ngari aklor a games en aringia a cooperation sel atal team tigel ku kadra waya imo school a kaing seu tigel team rasel madra imo high school malu ngi school tigel team rasel a kaing seu elang ku tigim bergil moklo betul tim elado mesa ngaria Toror Elementary School, Harris Elementary School, Maristela Elementary School, Palau High School, ma MOC. Ngagi di sela school, di sela group, elang dia sebela tal tim di ngita usgole, matmok la klaing sela sela calar ngalen. Mai ngagi de kero school, ngagi da motmak usgol kaisa le kampit. Ako si Sultan met kaing seu mok lak logon mo ungil ungil arlela atol dokot bok ringi esel usgol edo sirak la lulak logol regireng malmok lebol ak logol ngari armom sisi makato olen ngertir matir tigel guk dimlak bom sisi adirek olen ngertir matir ungir kain sewtir madu retir egagi dai lewal toy zagan madu getal siselang agota physical fitness komosol milisi abiu awngerung sportsmanship rosgol mamdul rosgol lo tiar beklam el moklo la tretelet awngedei akan petition klaisal sel rosgol rosgol maizal morborui ongewang cooperation arugul to adoru lang kirela ngaklain se umbra rasel asuru mentia ke mo remta mo remro ndak mo ngila toy mang diga kita ayawal toy saglum kat meu luitro ase bodungi lo sogol pergi jalsil el opening rasel kotler lela Republic Belau el mongil el direct lo renga sulira tinggal ladim not bok recal program rasil direct lo renga sulit tinggal rogul o kyaksan ngartiang el maseu eomes mengosben el gut mklitial el klogor el aziz mal mongil mak kira upol bangar om ngedar rakluguk senmral tanjobi senmral lela di pamik belau ada kong pangsulang
Manong Saula, Minister of Social Services, Mr. David Ramarui, and Andy Utelte Ale Swagel Go Aisra, Tel Kudibre and Alsils, Martin Olugum, Alingia Chairman of Board of Park and Recreation, Elegid Matei, Bomodling, they will work for loyal overall Chairman of Tel. Kami tilngia Omarar. Yang bukan adalah Republik Belar Elara. Kira-kira tidak mati. Awasi guri kita tiga rogu nang wala la tim setir. Aigan school mo man saun era ko mura gel basur gumil. Eng utmau ta program. Final goal for elementary school girls, 50-minute dance. Final goal. Ulubong-ulubong gel o gimin metur aral gerdira elementary school. Ulubong-ulubong. Final goal. 50-minute dance, elementary school girls. Final goal. Judges, lane judges ready. Timer is ready. Elementary school. Judges, timer is ready. Elementary school girl. Elementary school girl. Elementary school girl. Elementary school girl. 50-minute dance. Elementary school girl. 50-minute dance. Nagpapasira lang. Elementary school girl. Almost from Gumong, elementary school girl, Travis Metor. Pongero lang mo. Talungab high school boy, Travis Metor. Talungab high school boy, 100 meters. First ball, high school boys, 100 meter dance. First ball. Gilian, Ontianan Merahom. Talungab Kerala, Travis Metor, high school boys. First ball, high school boys, 100 meter dance. Final call, 100 meter dash, high school boys. Elementary school, 100 meter.
Hey, dia pun muncul ni. Dia ambil ni, nak okey. Dia ambil raja. Dia ambil harus division dulu boleh laba. Kembali raja oleh mereka fokus ni baru dah.
ngatel pare ni.
Oh, ingara pare dan ingara nas. Ingara dia tegol bos lagi ingara. Di dia kakalele. Di. Dia kalau bos.
Ini misi dia.
Itu mai.
Ora lo aspetto. Hai. Ano ka ba
soal lo ay sa reklamo mula sa manto kagingal ngarti meng tergel bay ngareka gingal kurang na bay olge de tire de mege gaile gingal neng mamula program parang marunong tukaw parang marunong tukaw na kirel beklap los el mercial niagot el tanjobira aralela constitutional government dari Republic of Palau. Sebelum itu program lagi ke soalnya agot program yang mau mereka bandera ke soalnya arangal kara kuror ma arangal kara Harris Elementary School amut maga soalnya melitak kara national anthem. Sel bolore kara bandera ni soalnya longitak kara national anthem ya bul mitra vet adam temulur. It gives me great pleasure and honor to be with you all this morning as we celebrate the occasion of our first constitutional government anniversary. To begin our program this morning, we have the flag raising and the national anthem. We ask that everyone rise while the flag are being raised as well as the national anthem is being sung. Palau siya kung ngitra rekla akan bolor, solar ngalra na school lomita sa televisa ka ba?
Wading rasa kita masuk ambil melas okey. Prat, mana tu diterima ilmu berapa?
Kemudian pada kawan-kawan belum start. Komandan deklarasi ng Balong Bakit. Kedua menemukan program lagi kan mbak yang antai misalnya mengitra Badrai Smith mengelulu semua aspirasi program lagi. We continue our program, and at this time I wish to call upon Father Smith to deliver the invocation this morning. Father Smith.
Både lalaki telkib, både awar ubag Dios, dolulu. Rubang Dios, lalaba bekel klise, mereka yang it maudem, lemang teklala klangar kemam. Agi meramakil ni berat tialung il klabesei, rewela malam mau yang it madi di alasil. Iliwak beradau bel betok kang raringi, ngarak mal klebokal bel mam rabela. Ai kel ro kui a ovils kemam rang yala tekingem, el kirela tung yolam. Agi Kamal Muranga Sulem. Al sales, agi malbedebek, rakot rakiel ave esel am kamam, eungela kamela la ravelao, bulu ravelao. Agi director Muranga Sulem, rabekalomil klalo, mabekalomil tupo el merkamam el sel kalmo merekubra. Rubat, mos kamam emlet kamam aradam el ngar aikal jungs, el dirka mata arbesmam rabetok tukoy. Mutabelarang reer, en ngasut reer ar mered ram el rokoy, el mongil madingali, el omelami ara el blam tibir el kiram. Msisi arang mam, ma alit eto la klader kamam la lorer ser kamam ra rolem, el morat klemrang malamal ma bud, ma klaubel tikreng ma kutau reng ra dolongalam. Aki ultra bokter kamam, madalumam rekaw eruban. Ik maloniet rekaw melar el mesim areng mam. El momakes el budul amadad, el ultuira aklisi am maula kurwing. Momat ngel tengater kamam el rokui em rangasang lumuam. El kawa rubat el yoster kamam. El an el mora or.
Mansula Bandre Smith. Komesra program bergide solai mlegire la ikul mo ini awal era blur orel wal welcome ra vekul hat ding borde milbong ramla memong solai era ada sin putakal mula sai betul am losmer mumla hospital rasus e solai normer abdiram tutau e direct direct smer mengmoja SPL memang ura ayal antutau mengundur ia special assistant terngil Alan Seed mendime melgok tunus SPL mergit the Honorable Nibdul Gibbons, Mayor of Koror, was supposed to deliver the welcoming remarks this morning. However, about 5 minutes ago, I was informed by this young gentleman by the name of Alan Seed that Ibdul was struck ill last night and went to the hospital and didn't leave the hospital until early this morning. And as a result, he asked his special assistant to convey his greetings to us during this occasion. I now call upon Mr. Alan Seed to deliver Mayor Gibbons' greetings and remarks. Alan?
Mansala Yoi, Malungin Tutaul, President Harwar League, Malungin Tutaul, High Commissioner McCoy, Malungin Tutaul, Rear Admiral Ruth Timar, Tutaul Mora, National Chief Justice, Maruna Kamrama Vexel Ministers, Maratnatul, President Ran Olvida Kulang Asyar Lakutau. Klon lungin si Alan Merangakal, los reglos era blue oror, era ibdul, Asyar Lakutau, Nombrara Vexel Alan, Merchal Kmaklor Kutrelon Divi. Kita kundi bersiang aleng, kita jobil belau, wal hotel relel belau. Soal dingma sesial pungela ngurun mail lool semer gemiu agoteng soal lo aisa sei tidak ada belawa asmal na ngul de le oktor tiar el altan president harwar amli gnya president sejire emerada blada ada belawa bote ogeru soal lo aisa sei oktor tianga muslim la kabel mes belawa nganya presiden dal olvi mal minister sila ala belwat mal flow de urenga angalar muter el alsi kita sudibel wado de muter kita la belwat el kita un meu para kabel minister soal lo ay kasi lo ya te level lo bungela ay dudul mo sel muramawin lo sel status quo aslom lo ya te level mitra high commissioner of boy e man lo claro le lo bungel wase kal high commissioner mo boy aja kan saling dadil mamu flinga trust territory calculate ni ma president Rabu Palau itu ke meral betul lah mengal mendapat klubsi. Soal ais masih kita akan belawa aku kena beli cuma aku kena tu ya laka imori ardi dom sebe nanti akan bolongin betul. Gua aku kan sangat terali dari rasmal lagu terdawa lah operasi lah government sedih lo sebe lah high commissioner ni ya awaya adil waya andir atlet el motor hit el president avec mutuminga belau e normal dulu el nombre del tanjobi belau nangi Januari sel nombre tabrak akhir si imol salik el letor tagi del Quran Presiden Talungab beli gamlam ngot adu, lepas tengen ngot adu Presiden Palau. Aku kira sekali kalau saya lewat arah, atau the same ser omesa Presiden Talungab beli gal, ngot adu sensi. Dilulungan aku, alen terapot sa Presiden termodot, au era el bolongod adu. And di desa iwas rabat. Lekma lo bilang kung sa adra bulwat kan yam lamungin semua omre drabulwat. Arya sese tinggal presiden tersensi sikual dilmu terlalu tergiye file ol tergi. Dilulwate giredel chart rapport tergi giredel mo smage wado makalra imol mlai el chartra o wadolusra mafra umroled el butula kan dapat klub se seguir el anga soal yom klub tergida beslat to gunig na seguir el adra se kan dapat klub se akmalo del dao barud ma imad ma kwiti el rokui agire do staff e olnitra albel deget ma dios malokong get elom sultata elom kara al redra belwat el bos bel belau mongil belu elnya belwat mokpunyoli atau general as mana di mana itu au era musim berada dah tinggal sultata belu ore elnya telel el host cai del hotel tanjobi belau usual era ore el nombrado ni rogui sebenarnya sudah la presiden que directo soal el guide de clase de nombrar a high commissioner McCoy tenía a veces high commissioner por tal de vela o plan de auto
Palmesau la alen termol mara program regis mga kulingit mo mo ka sa arot mo sa edermen sa tuoy termol mara program regis el altair sola mol ngitra atnak haru air league nya hotel president la republic del Palau lomdal maklisi el ra hotel kumsila hotel buira ra 1981 emel mol mel motel el altair u era bo gudonya atnak harwar meligal me emel ko ar el ang solangan nya wara hotela atletela tanjo bilurur nya ngal gara Palau high school el nganya taran ngal gara school lobal me present ngil nga atletela el Palau ke solai mensoga desa tigil el bagrad before I call on the President of the Republic to deliver his remarks. This is a blend of a traditional culture and Western culture, which was prepared by the staff and students at Palau High School, and it's being presented to His Honor, the President, on behalf of the Republic. Palau now is 1 year old. At this time, I would like to call on His Honor, the first President of the Republic of Palau, Hawar Malik. I also would like to call on his legal advisor, Mr. John Rohr, to translate for the President. JR.
Tahu, baru saya betul, analisis, saya Komisioner Makoy, Brigadier Temar, Chief Justice Nakamura, Presiden Senat dan Senator Kalimantan, Marbek yang sangat diobjekkan. Hello, guys, ingat kay. Para ay kagingan, yung wala ay katento. Kubiwa lek adan lokundib. Para aga school mas sensitive. Ekidi ba tutaw. Folklore Tugoy, el mundo mga tangat, el bergat, el monte era rumbul belaw, marbek yung tuling na kagmente belaw, marbek na ada belaw, eso na mamnudao rahay Komisioner Makoy, el mia de glongua drulen, el momes pingi ngatkay, el losok el belaw, metro kin tiap man dungil sin sergit. Kalau yang asal para adul mungkin may ilmiit yang paling sedikit.
Representative of the High Chief Abdul, High Commissioner, Admiral Demars, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of the Republic of Palau, the President of the Senate, citizens of the Republic of Palau. It is indeed an honor to represent the people of the Republic of Palau, the leaders and the government in welcoming the first High Commissioner of the Trust Territory. We are pleased to have the High Commissioner visit our island at this time and be with us for this anniversary of our new government.
Abogor Trui Perulbuir, Ramlamemo, El Altil. Itolah kita akan belau, amnodon dia akan mentergit. Emleu tu raklisi el makalar musa na belau. Salam Michel saya. Aku terkepingin, aku terbuir 1981. Sebelum dia tahun, Almungkin semua menteri ke kawalan tergit. Michel saya. Emleu mutubet, Aikel kono berbaik. Esugoi, Elgel Afrika tergit, orang telah kawalan tergit. El Molmut Altil tu Matanrak, el Molmut Ngabal Kersi.
12 months ago, this day, we jointly stated in the preamble of our Constitution our pledge that in establishing this Constitution of the Sovereign Republic of Palau, we venture into the future with full reliance on our efforts. With this pledge, as our guiding light, we ventured to install our constitutional government on January 1st, 1981, as the people witnessed the swearing in of the first officials of our constitutional government. This was the beginning of our first year of our venture in our government.
El gobierno que al mergol tarrak. Algo todo mundo muda el gobierno que el mergol. El bebida de sugil, el que la government sugil. En jagat ek lo bina muda. Ate al el cure el altair me solai e ko cure la subida al gol belau. Al vecchio muerto que el belau. Marbek ada belau. Rawil ngeso, rawil kita deng, eliam longkul, misalnya nuskan ketok pegel, ezekit mok tiang bertarak. Sok loreng, yolongit, tinggal bek tinggal belau, marbek ada belau. Lolmor mestiar kita deng, ezur li rak sekian berkorak, elmu ketok pegel abek ketok ketok Edormor lo rega dergi, edormor mo mutmok, egera puera galmente que ataca sei, para de velara agama de sei.
Looking at our accomplishments during this past year, it would be a remiss not to take this opportunity and to recognize and thank our leaders for the efforts and devotion which they put forward in carrying out the functions and responsibilities of their offices in our government. It is their undivided effort and good cooperation upon which many of the accomplishments of the first year of our government were successful. It is my sincere hope, and I ask, that the traditional chiefs, leaders, and the people of the Republic of Palau continue such cooperation efforts as we venture into the second year of our government to achieve those tasks that are remaining unaccomplished and which are necessary and indispensable for the benefit of the Republic and for each and every one of us.
Kalau kau tahu, ada lem, ogru lem aku tunggang kan, tadi mula kau. Sekian cerita ya, ada sisi sekian cerita masih pergi. El maam kalau kau rapor terkini, aku menterkini. El asal tak nama ibu. Suara orang kita berkata masih kian berboltarak, abek kita bercok. Mabek demle uidrmi bol kedro bes saygal bek medru maludu edo olas elko ngaragan murundi asa kamtergit almo eros pe aigai gid wa uidrmi mal silu berarti channel bertadar mogorbil aurege de anormada.
As it is believed in our tradition, the birth of the first child is delicate and a most important one. And so as the first year in the venture of our new government, one may look into the first year as the year of learning, a year of trial and error. So let us look back and reflect on our first year accomplishments as well as our errors in the hopes that we can learn from both experiences and press forward confidently into the future.
Tumiw mga ka, adil malagay. Eko, mandir grupo bang top ito boy. Bagat magil, hindi ka nalabanan. Maguleng. May gelbek el milik nagagaro sa auldaso. Kita lebih kelas, entam lo ule eudel, orang tu cila besar tu boy. Tangai pun ini, kita tu bodo, idekar muda bekil Miguel Ugil Romanat Mawil Lundaso Ebonai Uregatim Ebon was spoke like Gil Digatrio, the Almatrop, Egela Soela Mentegin, Akuela Selvelau, and over Sia will gay night, Mawil and Pop, Mawil Udra Selvelau, Mongolia and their other can Selvelau, and Will Muslim, and they are the other three.
You and I know that there are many tasks before us that remain unaccomplished. I ask that we lay to rest our differences, that we defended in the past which may have been our means of resolution, and join hand in hand in one spirit to perform and carry on our tasks to the best of our ability and strength to bring to and build for the Republic of Palau a better economy so our people living therein can be happy in their lives.
High Commissioner McCoy, Admiral Demar, and Rosin Metro General City. And it's still time, a Gureng Studio and the Melo. Rabek Lungeso, Mabek Lunginundaso, Rosin Kiul, and Sacrament Second, Legrabila, Aurelian and the entire.
I wish once again to take this opportunity to thank High Commissioner McCoy and Admiral Demars for being able to join us today. I also want to thank all the people of Palau for your good work and assistance that you extended to the government during this past 1 year.
El Sira Ableul, Executive Altil, El Darwood Eli, El Mood Together More Executive Altil, El Darwood, El Get Calcil, Sarabot, and La Parliamentary Gate. The Sultan, Exactly Lorena Sunira, Recting Al Raskul, and Tell Oreor Mabela Rogis, Raurelis. Tira on the tax adu tir bakle tira government tir asuli rogui amode randira leaders belau enda government.
Furthermore, I wish to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to those people who planned, organized, and implemented this historic event, a successful one. Your work will be long remembered. I want to especially thank all the students and the people who took part in this celebration to close out the first year of our new government.
Anniversary de Robui.
I wish a happy anniversary for you on this new government, and may God bless you all. Malmasaula President of the Republic ma legal advisor lagi. Kung inadal mo mga program na gini sola trigel ngal sa field me pus kami ate alam sa iul maral mo apply kel gingal ngomrole la field mal mom gal mo martia mal bring rugmi komran ga ngorob at trigel lolngi trigel maklol adal ngara gingal ra at yan nga ngom sa tumal sung mangal kam ngorob molngi tir man ngorob yung mga kadang sa aldo. Isariul mong matal mo apply kel ginal reservado sola mong ilbusmiwe ito naman mga program lagi. Kerumon program lagi dari aku tahu LI yang mas nuarmu el mengkonomia gelom seer el rara kamunin dunia awalnya Allah el tanah dari arah belau elnya areksira akal adanya yang direktur namun pertunangan putra abtok tutul marak sirning lebot al adal mo adra micronesial mo tiat kesolay alam bot al adar belawal mo mutling selmia ongidel ra government tergit el judiciary branch elnya atanakil mamuruna kamura el chief justice of supreme court. I would like now to call upon the honorable el judiciary branch elnya atanakil mamuruna kamura el chief justice of supreme court. I would like now to call upon the honorable Mamoru Nakamura, chief justice of the supreme court, who has a lot of pulls in his name and in his honor, whose micronesian to be appointed as an associate justice, and whose Palau to be appointed Chief Justice of the Palau Supreme Court. Justice Nakamura.
Thank you very much, Mr. Lee. High Commissioner Janet McCoy, Rear Admiral Bruce Kumar, President Bermelin, President of the Senate, Joy, Acting Speaker of the House, Uruong, Representative of Haiti, Idaho, Haiti Flying, Traditional Chiefs, distinguished guests, and the people of the Republic of Palau.
Tulmo McCoy mo dakapsan araw High Commissioner McCoy, Rear Admiral de Mars, President Tremelig, President ng Senate na Tanakil Galeb Ugoy, Gil Acting Speaker House of Delegates Tanakil Laurentino Ulo, the Era Haiti Bibdul, Sibra Clay, Rugul Belau, Rigel Tanakil Okyaksa, Kumiwar Adar Belau Rugui.
As you know, we are gathered here today to celebrate the first anniversary of the young republic, and I'm happy to witness its first birthday. While it is true that the Republic of Palau government is 1 year old today, I'd like to point out that in actuality, only the executive and legislative branches can claim that distinction. Because of constitutional provisions, the judicial branch was not established until about 1 month ago.
Kemudian berkelana masih kita kelibur al wabu keot yang nyabut tanjobir yang gegren blur belau el gidia omeserngil albangar yang kot tanjobir ni mengwaisel kumlasya government terbela atargir ang dim soal kalau aisyah mulwase akmal berani olvira belulau mo obisra president asal ello keot segir tuboy lem lom gotmok luwaise itu tirak kera constitutional belau, esel mo ngeder lela government, amlom adroder, rabgor talboy ramlamemo.
The birth of our third branch of government was made possible by the enactment of two major pieces of legislation, namely the National Judiciary Act and National Judiciary Pay and Benefits Act by our National Congress.
Paralel si almo mo ngeder lela government trablur bela mok loki watablol nyam lom mok molla magot the National Judiciary Act, National Judiciary Pay and Benefits Act nya tilobod ra olbi ra kululaw.
As a result of this clause and other pertinent provisions of our Constitution and Secretarial Order 3039, groundwork for our court system was established.
Tirak lain lagi adalah al-Blackpass Madidek legal ngara Constitution of Republic of Palau, Secretarial Order 3039, Echel walu utmela momong lela government rigid in your court system amlagat mokul mobre.
Upon the recommendation of the Judicial Nominating Commission, I was privileged and honored to be appointed Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of the Republic of Palau by our President on October 23, 1981. With Chief Justice on board, the process of court certification and the transfer of cases from the Territory Court to the Republic of Palau Court was made. Our certification request was made on December 7, 1981, in accordance with Secretary Order 3039. By December 10, the Chief Justice of the Territory High Court, the Honorable Harold Burnett, gave his determination that such functioning courts exist in the Republic of Palau. Upon further certification by the President of the Republic, Honorable Harold I. Burnett, Palau courts were officially organized on December 23, 1981. On that same day, all cases pertaining to Palau were simultaneously transferred by the Territory Court to the Court of the Republic of Palau. Thus, the birth of our third branch in judiciary was finally established.
Pumangela wal alsil judiciary mal umudusul Judicial Nominating Commission isolaya nakamal lo tngak el tilkak el motif justice sa Supreme Court ay Republic of Palau el mentut kra President rigid lalu im edel singila ang triul bura ra 1981 ngomong ket segir lo mas ang Chief Justice im aureore solanga rolela court ablu start pulo liugum Naraka Territory Court, Court Republic of Palau. Lord Sera evidel gustingil ong truth overall bura ara 1981. O tira pra Secretarial Order Dori 9. Isolay nga guest certification am nagot mo kumoy sig at repelen. Diregal truil gustingil ong truth overall buil ara 1981. At Chief Justice Rata Territory High Court. Anilu tegil klolo las ngul lo aigel roguil lurerel a court el nyangara al sela belur bela el altai direct am leul tuira ngera president termelig esolang aktor tam lomu laurel el mangadrodara angar alelo tira fra constitution ralu im edel go singil ong tru im ongul buil tara 1981 isegir el dosiul sils esolang aro buil ngar alela territory court am loyoy del mora court tra Republic of Palau malwai sei Integi awal lol aralel, ungedel lela government, lol kira pra constitutional law.
I'm pleased to say that the transition of courts to the Republic has been smooth, and I appreciate the assistance and contributions rendered by the executive branch, the legislative branch, and the Territory High Court for the establishment of our new judiciary.
Pangmat mer ngukul el altai na solang ya bure na solela obisra president officer olbira lolaw mahay court rata territory metrigen aral lul ngaseu loliu dai kal ngaral umlosob el magatmok la atial longe del ral ra parliamentary git
The task ahead of us in getting a full complement of four justices and staff has just begun. With a unanimous recommendation of the Judicial Nominating Commission and President Remley's approval, 3 part-time associate justices have been appointed as of January 20, 1982. These 3 distinguished jurists are Presiding Judge Court Arate, Superior Court of Guam, Chief Judge Robert A. Hefner, Commonwealth Trial Court of the Northern Marianas, and Associate Judge Herbert Saul also of the Northern Marianas. Their primary duties will be to hear appellate matters and cases which cannot be considered by the full-time Associate Justice of the Supreme Court. In order to utilize their valuable services I have prepared a court calendar for them to begin March 6, 1982.
أورور مر مناظر الألفاين أم أمو المدرودر أدر الليل تيجي لونج دل رقبلمين تلو بنجل أرجاز مر على المبنكر لورور لو التوي رقنير تل جوديشن ناميرين كوميشن direct نولتوي رقنير president ترمليج يرتدل جاز المتوت في المورور لدي تلوب أتميل المؤر الدكتين الألبوين direct تدل جاز a presiding judge na superior court ra Guam judge Paul Obate ma chief judge ra Commonwealth trial court ra Northern Mariana Island judge Hefner ma direct associate judge ra Commonwealth trial court ra Northern Mariana judge Sol ngar alit trigal aga mo rengs agar grill el nyamong gutmok rebelaw nya kasub el gutmok ladi imol as el nya arlong lay gagil no braw ng ra Supreme Court Muspe ay gaya del temi tigal at eso lang at lagut muklia walyo tera karril el omur el olmo singil ong edel boy
Although we in the judicial branch are only 1 month old, I'm happy to know that we have accomplished as much as possible under the circumstances. Much has yet to be accomplished. However, I am confident that with the cooperation of the executive branch and the legislative branch, we will be able to accomplish our constitutional duties as mandated by our Constitution.
Pangway chair sa long edel lela government la Republic of Bela de tal buil argil mas mangulo ay sa pulwa say ngulo roro lo tirap ay gajil blagarada mal de gusto ka albangal girel logot mugil ndi mal me armo mula say aulong suila obisra president olbi rak lulaw en mosum el magatmok lay gel niangar alel talong edel lela government gil el nyaw ol tra constitutional Republic of Bela
In closing, I would like to extend my gratitude to the High Commissioner, Admiral Demarch, and other distinguished guests who took their time from their busy schedule to come and celebrate with us its first anniversary of our young republic. On behalf of the members of the judicial branch, I wish you all a happy anniversary to the Republic of Palau. Thank you.
Mamusim ra agat agal mo urenga sulela High Commissioner ma Admiral Demarch trigal betul la tengah tu okyaksang el no ikfiah mal asangal lurerir esola mo el metro kita tial mo go tu Tanjavir tial berwadra belur belau makun te judiciary branch esola nge ol durok ra omeditor ngal mortial nya got tel arlen abelur Republic belau koman musula Ilahe yak mom khudongi atngat lel galek uduil nya president ra senate el nya om teer olbi ra glulaw kiram dengel bek amal mase olbi ra glulaw tublol blai ma president ra senate aguk miltut klom teer olbi ra glulaw el guk mom ngulu al ar el altai direct usaklo aitus mase atngat ke galep uduya direct liwat leteren arek sira jaz na kamoral to kay gel nyablel ko tringi taram le ko tel buiger belaw ni lo adi geringi alla le ko tel agra mai knijan mo legislative council ra congress mai knijan le ko tel agra belaw mo president ra senate in keeping with the theme as the first anniversary of the Republic of Palau, I now would like to call upon the Honorable Caleb Udoy, President of the Senate, who will speak on behalf of the Olbi Raglulaw. Like Justice Nakamura, Caleb Udoy has several firsts in his name. He's one of the first Micronesians to graduate from law school, first Micronesians to serve as legislative counsel to the former Congress of Micronesia, and last but not least, the first Palauan to become the President of the Senate of the first Olbi Raglulaw. President Udoy. Will total marabeklade Dirgel organizes segit programa melalui tengah kalwase o mesin del bet adam dengan program rigel bedin relia speech gaul di program rigel ya urule morang rel belau ma anda tak ada tuta di mo mudul program rigel ya urule o idela mo program bela morang rel belau. The organizers of the program have asked me to deliver my statements in English only, without any translation, and the translation will be carried over in the Palau radio. High Commissioner McCoy, Admiral Demars, President Trublik, Chief Justice Nakamura, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. This is indeed a momentous occasion, and I consider it a great honor and privilege to join all of you here today, all others throughout Palau, and Palauan citizens abroad celebrate this occasion. 1 year ago today, we gave life to a constitution that was framed and designed by Palauans and approved by the Palauan constituency. 1 year ago today, we gave life, we ordained a government based not on edicts, but upon popular expression of Palauan constituency. 1 year ago today, we proclaimed and reaffirmed our immemorial right to be supreme in these islands of Palau, our homeland. We renewed our dedication to preserve and enhance our traditional heritage, our national identity, and our respect for peace, freedom, and justice for all mankind. 1 year ago today, we resolved to venture into the future with full reliance in our own efforts and the divine guidance of the Almighty God. It is therefore only fitting and proper that we should pause for a moment to reflect on how we performed in the 12 months that have gone by. It is appropriate that this assessment be done so that we may continue to build on the progress that we have gained and avoid repeating the mistakes that we have committed. It is my firm belief that on balance, the new republic came out ahead, despite seemingly unsurmountable challenges and problem-saddled legacy from the previous administration. While the efforts to implement the various constitutional mandates continue, we take great pride in the fact that the three branches of our national government have been fully organized and are functioning. We are greatly encouraged by the progress thus far achieved towards the organization and establishment of the different state governments. The energies and efforts which we expended in the organization and establishment of the national and state governments may now be gradually directed towards expanding the base of our economy and determining what projects and programs we can create and develop for the benefit and welfare of the people of Palau. The challenges and problems that have yet to be resolved are not easy, nor do they lend themselves to easy solutions. We must not and should not, however, be discouraged. Every community, a small town, a state, or a nation draws its strength and purpose from the wellsprings of its history, traditions, institutions, and culture. Out of these sources, a community develops its character, its reason for being, and even a sense of mission. We in Palau are richly blessed, for we are all heirs to a rich history, culture, and character. We are richly blessed by being Palauans. It is that spirit that fills our lives with a profound sense of somebody, someplace, something special. All too often, we take this for granted, and it usually takes on an outsider to remind us of what we have. I do not suppose that we in Palau will ever achieve utopia during our generation. But with diligence and willingness on our part to improve our lot, we too can fully govern ourselves and develop economically, socially, and morally to the highest level. Looking ahead, we should set our goals as lofty and high as possible. And in reaching out to achieve them, we may become a bright star in the firmament of the Pacific Ocean. For this, I join everyone here in wishing the young Republic of Palau much success and offer the full cooperation of the Palauan National Congress, the Olbi Rahulullah. Thank you very much. Ansula President Rasenet. Kemarin time Oboreng senggelnya togobet okyak sangal ble da sitar ngilnya akatengel berma alding rabulwat elnya botel redil mo okra gingal al haikam el anya mo botel last al haikam al sel atras territory el nya wal bol lo du raw lo bol du al putaw maklumutro ngit el mate bola ka arod irgel maklul agal ngara agingal lo ngit rangal gal ngartil amla sal arod malbot sab eder romusia and alangal togobet el okyak sangargit el High Commissioner Mrs. McCoy. In keeping with the theme of this first anniversary of our constitutional government, in keeping with the themes that I have enunciated earlier, several first to the personal detail of Mamoru Nakamura and Caleb Udoy. The next speaker also has number of firsts to her honor. She is the first woman High Commissioner to assume the highest post in the Trust Territory government, making her first visit to join us celebrate our first constitutional government. And lastly, she will probably be the first High Commissioner to come back to Palau in a totally different atmosphere than we are witnessing today, to bid the last farewell of the remaining Trust Territory government. I now would like to call Mrs. Janet McCoy, High Commissioner of the Trust Territory.
And all traditional leaders, President Renwick, Speaker Salih, President Moody, Chief Justice Nakamura, Admiral Demars, distinguished guests, and ladies and gentlemen.
Hai Chief Abdul, Matrikin Rogul, Abdul Belal Martian, President Assembly, Speaker Salih, President Uduy, Chief Justice Nakamura, Admiral Demars, at Tangakul of Tiaksang, Magidal Betul Adar Rogui.
I'm delighted to be present in Palau and participating in these celebrations commemorating the establishment of this constitutional government.
Malmerul Marbelar el Altaim, el Telor Gumiwe Solange Utkeo Tialnya, Awalol Hotel, Aral Lela Government, and Yaultura Constitution Belau.
I also take note of a recent article in the newspaper about your distinguished Palauan lady doctor. She's quoted as describing Palau as a matriarchal society. It is then doubly pleasurable to me to be able to participate in these festivities as a woman High Commissioner. Who knows? You know, when the TT is finally dissolved, when the trust territory is finally gone, there may be a place for me here in Palau.
Mas merukul mo mlom sa imol tukoy tingel ngel dir belau toptang silobra a newspaper el nya mil ngul mula sa belau ardila ola baklisi ra akla belau mung alsugo mung ay sige dengan mut mal mangal mot marmuk el metlor gmiu el angal drdil high commissioner dia do dengi al tatra club sel ala trust territory government en la amor nya te el leg mal ranking el leg el metlor gmiu rangar mata tertaya.
Well, more seriously, though, I also want to convey the congratulations and the best wishes of the Department of the Interior, Territorial and International Affairs, and the Assistant Secretary, Pedro San Juan. They asked me to extend to you their regrets at not being able to be here with you today.
Nsakal mutiak te alle solange odrok la ayurosku maurungulir ara Department of Interior, ara Territorial and International Affairs, manggel Assistant Secretary Pedro San Juan, toldurok prakutila rendil, emnodiak el meteorologi del alcil.
There have been many important events in the long and honorable history of Palau and its people. Many, if not most, have involved outsiders and or outside governments. While many of these events have been the cause of other ceremonies, none has achieved the significance and the importance of this occasion and the event that we commemorate. We are celebrating today the first anniversary of self-government, and nothing in the annals of government is as important as self-government.
Betul wai lagi del lagarada la blabot albang ringi el direct ngaringi la reksir belau el betul kal belam nam albang ringi direct betul rai lagi dal suku mendia kal ni rogoi amne telur ni awal government el ni government ada ratra belu el ulabar ratra belu lolabel me mengwai se li lagi del dio sitio tretail el blodo bautkeu altaem larinya plunyolel maltaem lewilar mudringi el din diaga parni el moai tian albangarni el alsils el nia kot el relel agablement el gida de gida el mudredrini ngal de sira agablement trablul ak en got cloud tutelel el ada di til mudredreti.
The people of Palau achieved self-government in January of 1981. While the creation of the Republic of Palau signaled the accomplishment of that objective, it marked the beginning of a long and a somewhat difficult journey. The newly created government of the Republic of Palau, its leaders, both elected and appointed, and the people of Palau have been engaged during the past year in making this new government work and serve the greater good of the greater number. This task has not been easy, and certain problems, well, I prefer to call them challenges, have arisen. I am convinced that Palau has both the will and the expertise necessary to protect the stability and the well-being of its peoples and its islands.
Marami belau tiram lamu angra dim notil mengadere da government tir rahotul gursingila rahotul gura ara 1981 ot pela government tra republic belau otti ata floor moktek mata floor lomrul elinya melgat mok logyo abatok mering lom ngatmok ot pela betul government tra republic belau lultu irar mga teklel el tira da secure tir ma di dolut kertir ya belam la motarrak elongi semua kora kabel menteringi, elo banggela meringan tretail, elo banggela betok lomisio. Kiai kita belakang lah dia kalau beot, dengan kata kalau mengutang orang ini muluk mo, nguan tukoi albangan lah, eurol girel. Dengan kata mengil muluk mo abelau, angarinya tu orang ini, mar aben mudu orang orang, eligang adomu, el sebe edel uspe. Kesolan ngol sekar ada belau, maklum nyolir ada belau kira kira belu.
Mr. President, although my time in the Trust Territory has been relatively short, I wish to express my confidence in the coming years. I know it won't be easy and that there will be problems that we're going to have to face together. But I can assure you most sincerely that I'm an optimist. And I see before me and surrounding me many, many highly qualified and competent leaders. If we work in unison, I'm convinced that the dreams and aspirations of the Palauan people can be realized. I pledge to you the full support and cooperation of my office and of the staff and personnel currently present at Trust Ferry headquarters on Saipan.
Why take it, Mr. President, initial while clear na sa na trajectory mandri kagdep, hindi swak lo ay sergal mulwa se aklunyolet larmo kahmal mo kuma. Ak madengel mulwa se ndiakal deot tugoy ay gal malbangal hindi kat mo albangal toklo at. Swakal subdara el altayan, masenga kablo olom lao, intel gumese kumtar. Etirgal ng ok miliwet kerbitar nga. Amal betokol mudu. El mudu orang toklos al raureur. Ombok do daga urung ule del motang. Do daga ule del motang. Yakmal madengel mulk maigel beruset. Maurung ule. El gira adar belau. Asad el magatmok lumongil besul. Usagar el altan yak subdaul mulwase akmomoy lol masew. Maobis rengat. Mesigel adal gintak lorol ngara saibal. Amokmak loror. Eol masew rgaw.
And I know that you share my pleasure and encouragement for the future in the upcoming appointment of your longtime friend and champion, Fred Zeter, as ambassador to lead the status negotiations. Through our joint efforts, each and every anniversary of the installation of self-government will see new and improved conditions in Palau and continued peace and prosperity for the people of Palau.
Akmadengel mulwa se kau adiwai ngak el smear muk el utkeora angar mata del time el dodengelil at el nyamal sisi lower el Mr. Fred Zides el nyamom tut kelmo musling el dodo rasiora la Micronesia amot magalorol toklo at kungwai se endi abodak lower eso lang ay gay gidan dong umadar el altils el nyawa blo dong madara o abot lo ole la kabelment amo sabi el mesa betok lo nyawa abetok nyam gatmuk mongil el gere la bud maklungil ra adar bela takte.
I'm most happy to be with you on the anniversary of this momentous occasion, and I join with you and salute you and your nation. May we ever meet in future years to celebrate the spirit, the unity, and the continuing progress of the Republic of Palau. Kumal Meslan.
Malt mermut sulur mi al arsil se mga madawras ki al kot aralel ablur belau. Makulingit at masay ulugun durat makil malmolom elot keora kultareng maklunyolel ki al belu sa Republic of Palau. Thank you very much. Uera abo bangya Pastor Robert Charles mo umlulu ramulung nila program rigid. And so kalsiyo kaya nabibirar anong okritye. Before I ask Pastor Charles to deliver the benediction, I'd like to introduce a couple of people in the stand. First, the distinguished Admiral Demars from the Commander Naval Forces Marines Guam, who through his effort several weeks ago made it possible that the southernmost part of Palau, Helen Street, a special plane delivered some food to those needy people in Helen Street. And on behalf of Delegate Mariano Carlos and Delegate Pablo Kiosi, I wish to extend to you our gratitude for a job well done. Between the First Lady and Father Smith is a young lady who is making her second visit to the Republic of Palau. She is Joyce Price, the High Commissioner's secretary. And like the High Commissioner always says, behind every successful man, there is a woman. I guess in this occasion, behind every successful woman, there is a woman too. Joyce, to my right, wearing another white, is an old friend of the Palau people. And to use President Trumelake's description, William Stepp is more Palauan. Mr. Stepp. I would like now to call Pastor Charles Hubert to deliver the benediction. Alang ako ngitra Pastor Hubert ng mamlulu makulngita reklaan dulutul mod. May we please rise again?
Almighty God, we give thee praise this moment that you are the God who created this land. And you are the God who placed competent leaders to watch this land. We do pray that as problems arise in the future, may thy mercies and comfort will give competence, and may they be able to observe, and may they be able to lead our place in peace and in security. We give you praise, dear Lord, this moment, that you are the same God of those countries who have succeeded because they were depending on thee. Ugol just like in Muldergau, Agiol Dansgau, Lolabek Klubu, on Loud, Akimel was a Yalla government, Agiol Dansgau again, Lamgat El Giblang West, Agi direct Lorunit, El Girela President, Magabinet Tringi, Bolsem Dragon Tigai Gatim, Mamam Rogui, Egimolbu, Gimobatareng, Arogul Toy Volomolum, El Moruguay Rahman Mam, Agiol Dansgau, Au Jesus Christus Soklam. Amen.
You may all be seated. Now is the dessert of the occasion. Kaya kita selesai mendulungi dengan reklaan LA temomro sanggup eraigel kelgol naringil eli mel altai nak mengitra gel overall chairman esel al adanya min ngatmok kertial lungil club sale nya Juan Peloy planning officer mengutil microphone esolang yang momro sanggup matrigel ngal eraigel school matrigel sensei lul te eraigel school olge der tirim kital mogdong al kliu yang mal betul ka udah loraba Juan kita bola kamang kediwe ikut korak me dalil to restoran mun kita lagam sengi ome din mede ala turlol sen del sen segi blam ngai lomur lain so kalau ngitra Juan Peloy mo. I would like to call on Mr. Juan Peloy to take this microphone away from me. Juan. I guess they don't get planners how to use microphone.
I never planned for this. Should I eat? Kumtera tigil adala committee. Taking the first anniversary of constitutional government circuit. Orang asal bekal nasibin mem kerjain share circuit ni. Tuset. Bakum teti demam ketongara. A president of the republic. Por nalung circuit and rosa kian mo kete. So I'm going to ask the President, the Malay, to give the award to the winners. Mr. President. May kailangan upload di omdasit masih ke master sa elementary division. Mga kung kita dek absel mo kung angat le emombrot saya kita tim nom sisi. Mukadamur sel fourth place. Mamnunga fourth place. Amaristela Elementary School. Olingit na representative ra Amarista Elementary School. It's only one place. I'm long a day. A Koror Elementary School. Koror Elementary School. I'm long a room. Amuse Elementary School. Korol, jaka representative na Korol. Korol ang nong ete. SN Logos, adi kamil matagali. Harris Elementary School. Okay, la dong ira representative la Harris Elementary School. Ito mga high school division. High school division na nangya enroll team ng Notai. Mga konten mo third session ng event Emmaus High School. Palau, first place. Palau High School, my MOC. Palau High School. Take it Palau High School. Representative Raimochi. And now the Mora Adult Division. The Mora third place. Number 8. Yeah, second place. Highlight stage. Yeah, first place,
a red torch. Red torch. At chairman apal ka represent a red torch. Elang to mara kan loy ka kasus. Dimne erun group samlay. Kurang sa charges sa kimaduto etum no hour de los tirak again uligin loy ka Palau. Ma nongo ngero sense mase olikisi bedwan. Oleh Kisah Belwat, representative oleh Kisah Belwat. Idin adal ngasal grup ra IC matilay. Kaya mnogot ay mali. Yo ni trusted in me. Ela demora que flows relato down. Que demora Michael Lomrae. Ela demora flows. A third place, Palau High School. Second place, individual, Singinari. First place, Palau High School. Elam mo again line level show, on the place, Kyoshi ringin. Second place, Amuse. Yeah, first place, Chan S. Chan S. Chan Skubo. I say. Amora Otobay, Edin Metal Otobay, Chiang Aswit, Moras Mary S. First place. Mary. The bicycles. Amorage rat. Isin dinero rata silis, misin nongero, Tion O. Tion O. Sibel nga ratan may. Tion. Now first place, Anora Itao B. Lamora Itaw. Algo mandul mga padala labang genme. Gaya kita ganda mga patrarat. Amur Omrael, tigil nar Omrael. Amno ang edel place, Amarista Elementary School. Second place, Amara Minchetti High School. Yang menunggu aku tinggal di Mirael, Amuse Elementary School. Mr. President, hindi nagigita ako ng mas amlotov na rinara, magiging tasulit. Manasam. Okay, ang kinatuloy doon ay sa Sepol Manila Thank ceremony. Sigut Muklaguran, I have few stars. Sila aim and material book. After we clear the ball field, we'll have the baseball players get ready. And now may I ask the Munes Elementary School band to finish the program.